Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of 2 power square root of x minus square root of 2 power square root of y equals to 48, and we are supposed to find the value of x and y. Let's provide a solution very quickly. And first thing, as you know, you're supposed to copy. We have square root of 2, then power square root of x minus square root of 2 power square root of y equals to 48. At this moment, we know that square root of 2 is equal to 2 power 1 over 2. Then square root of x, then minus here. This is equal to 2 power 1 over 2 square root of power square root of y equals to 48. And at this stage, because we have power, they can multiply themselves to get what? 2 power square root of x over 2 minus 2 power square root of y over 2 equals to what? 48. At this moment here, we can let square root of x over 2 to be equals to a, and here square root of y over 2 to be equals to b. And then we shall get 2 power a, then minus here 2 power b, which equals to 48. And here we can add 0, and 0 can be negative b plus b, which is equals to 0. And we are going to add it to this side, so that we shall get 2a minus b plus b. Then minus here 2b, which is equal to 48, which is equal to this one, 2 power a minus b. When we have addition, it means that we are multiplying 2 power b minus 2 power b, which is equal to 48. Because we have 2 power b, which is common, we can factorize it here outside to get what? 2 power b here, open bracket of 2 power a minus b, then minus 1 equals to 48. At this stage, what are you going to do? As we have used this formula of even and odd, this one as even, this one as odd. In the previous videos, we're going to apply right here. We're going to find the number which can be equals to 48. 48 here can be equals to 16 times 3. And of course here, this one can be 48 times 1. And of course, this one can be equals to 2 times 24. And of course, this one can be equals to 4 times 12. And this one is equal to 16 times 8. Because we are considering this one even and odd, we can take this one and this and reject this, because we have even. And then we have to equalize to this equation. We have 2 power b, open bracket of 2 power a minus b, then minus 1 to be equals to 16 times 3. So that we shall have here 2 power b, which is equal to 16, or 2 power a minus b, then minus 1 equals to 3. At this stage, we have 2 power b, which is equal to, here is equals to 2 power 4. And we shall write that here our b will be 4. So that we can replace it in equation that we have right here. Last 2 power a minus b is equals to, here, 4. And of course, here we have 2 power a minus b, which is equal to 2 power 2. Once we have same base, to mean that power are equal, we shall say a minus b equals to 2. And of course, a minus 4 equals to 2. And our a will be equals to 6. Here we have to recall remember that here square root of x over 2 is equals to what? Is equals to a, and here we have square root of x over 2, which is equals to 6, and of course square root of x will be equals to 12, and our x will be equals to 144. And here we have another one where square root of y over 2 is equals to b. Right, then here we are supposed to find square root of y will be 4 times 2. Then here square root of y is equals to 8. Then our y will be here 64. To me that solution set we have xy, which is equals to here we have 144 to 64. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.